Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, right now it's doing some crazy numbers. Bitcoin retested close to 88,000 but did get rejected, but is holding the support close to 87 very strong. If you talk about the meme coins, they are going explosive, especially if you look at the top 10 meme coins. You realize that all of them today might be down a little bit, but overall they're up quite a significant margin. This is probably your perfect opportunity to get into a token that you really want and make sure that you can make the most profit, and that's where PEPE meme actually comes into play. I made a video about this token a couple of days ago, but ever since few things have changed and I want to talk about it. First of all, if you guys do not know, PEPE coin, now that is the third largest meme coin right now. Now it's sitting at 5 billion market cap. Now this is PEPE meme. Just so you guys know, the original Twitter which was created is actually PEPE meme. It's not just PEPE. So that's why this one comes into play. Just to give you a little bit of scenario, it's very similar to what Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were. Shiba Inu came into play as a Dogecoin killer. So this one is thinking of doing something similar. Just so you guys know, this token is in pre-sale right now and they have only raised close to 1.1 million. So you know that this is very early into the project. What is PEPE meme? PEPE meme is the original PEPE, and that's the way that they're going to be competing with everything that you can imagine. On the other end, you can see 31 million total players. Tap to earn, tap your way to rewards, complete fun tasks, and they will be releasing on Google Play and also Apple very soon. You will be also having, PvT, so you will be able to fight other players to improve your skills, climb the ladder, and then get yourself a little bit more prizes. Now the higher you climb, the prizes are going to be more rare. They are going to be launching their own launchpad, which will allow new tokens to do even better things. Talking about their roadmap, you can see that right now they're just trying to build the community as much as possible. After that, next time the pre-sale needs to come to an end and the token will be launched. And finally, they need to make sure that they get everything out. On the other end, if you do pay attention to how to purchase this, it's actually really simple. You just need to click on buy, and when you do click on buy, you will be taken to this screen. From there, you just need to connect your wallet, and then you guys need to just put in how much USDT you would like to connect. I mean, once you guys have selected, let's say 2,000, you will be told how much PEPE meme coin you will be receiving, and then from there you just need to click buy. If you guys want a little bit more token, just put in the code yellow trades apply, and then you guys will get more tokens. Honestly, this token is still just getting started, because if you look at the Telegram, it's still just 3.7k. So there is enough people to understand that there is a little bit of hype around here. And just so you guys know, PEPE meme is followed by very big people around the world. That includes Jeff Bezos. And on the other end, you can see that there are so many people that have purchased large sum, and it's still only overall gotten to 1 million. Even if the market cap just climbs to 10 million, that's already a 10x from here. And if it does decide to go ahead and become explosive like Shiba Inu, there's definitely unlimited potential. If you do want to purchase it, honestly, this is a good buy in my opinion. On the other end, I do want to show you guys the way that these meme coins are blowing up right now. One of the ones that's, climbing the ladders quickly is definitely something to do with some crazy memes relating to Solana. As you can see, the peanut, 1.3 billion. Now, if you put it into perspective, it should be sitting just above Brent. And this was only released 14 days ago. What's the crazy part? It's actually on the Solana chain. And this one is also going to be released on Solana chain. So that should give you perspective in terms of how well the Solana chain is doing altogether. So joining the pre-sale would be your best option to ensure that you are in the race to earn yourself the most money. And on the other end, 37% goes to the community, 14% to airdrop, 3% funds, contributors, and all that is going to be going in the right direction. And the Psn Insider, there's going to be a lot of things that will be covering PEPE. If you do want to purchase it, link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.